My name is Markus Partanen and I work as maintenance manager at Tapojärvi company. Tapojärvi work as contractor at Kemi mine, which is owned by Outokumpu. The Kemi mine is the only chrome mine in the European Union. Mining operations started in 1968 as open pit mining. In 2003, the production of Kemi mine was completely shifted to underground mine, and nowadays mine is 1,000 meters deep and employs 200 people in mining area. The concentrates are transported to Tornio to Outokumpu's own ferrochrome plant, where stainless steel is produced. The technologies being developed will provide more information on operations and support decision making. A large amount of data is collected from different sources, and important information is made easily available to the end user. Safety comes first in our customers and our operations, and this is reflected in the topics of Digit project.